I'm at EMO 2019. I'm on the Correa stand. I'm with Havier here. Now, a couple of messages to come out in this video. The first is that obviously the Correa machines in the UK are available from DTS, and this particular machine is available for sale. We have done some promotional work before EMO on this, but it can be delivered quite quickly, I believe. How fast could you install this in someone's works?
This machine, basically, if we get the order during the show, which is the objective, we disassemble the machine, we go to the end user. If it is in Europe, let's say that the transportation takes like 2 weeks, and then let's say 1.5 to 2 months maximum to finish the installation.
Okay, unusual to get a machine that quick of this size, isn't it?
Yeah, it's difficult. Because in the Correa group, we also produce part of our frames, of our welded structure also. Normally we are quite aggressive in our delivery times because we control almost the whole process of the machine manufacturing. So,
tell us about the Fox then. So, you know, if someone was interested to purchase this, what are they going to be buying? Tell us about the model.
Well, the Fox is our most famous double column machine, and we have also sold more than, of this kind of machines, more than 700 units all over the world. And I would say there are so many technical features in the double column Fox. Now with the new design, more features have been included on the machine. But apart from the machine, in this particular model, we are offering a unique milling head, which is unique in the market and in the world, the UDX head.
Okay, so just tell us a few more of those points. We'll come back onto the head. Yeah. What are the technicalities that make the machine better, in your opinion, than some other double column machines?
Yeah. One of the problems all double columns has is the performance when you rough, when the ram fully extended. This is typical in all double column, well, in all machines. In our case, in the Fox, the guideway of the vertical axis is a box type guideway. It's not. Look, seems to be an old-fashioned stuff, but we reinvented the concept of the box type because it's not a normal box type. It's a box type cooled with water inside. So we keep the stiffness when the ram is fully extended. At the same time, we don't have the limitations of the box type, basically speed and accuracy, because it's cooled with water continuously.
Okay, and lasts longer as well, longer lasting?
Yeah, absolutely, much longer, because you keep always the perfect contact in the box type guideway all the time, because you're cooling all the system.
Tell me about that head then, tell me about the UDX head, why is that unique?
Yeah, it's the only head in the world which has a mechanical transmission through bevel gears. So we have a spindle bevel gears transmission, but we can rotate up to 10,000 RPM. So in the existing state of the art of the milling heads, you only can get 10,000 RPM using an electro spindle, not through a mechanical transmission. And what is the advantage of doing this? Well, first of all, you are able to get a very high torque on the spindle with a very compact size of the head, which is completely different.
Yeah, incredible. Tell us about the size of the machine as well then, that we've got here that is available for sale.
This is a Fox 5 meters in X, 3.75 in Y, and 1.5 meters in Z.
One of your best sellers, the Fox machine in general?
Yeah, absolutely. Talking about double column machine is the best by far. We have Fox and Fox M, which is gantry. Both models are very popular.
Great stuff. I'm sure this will sell, but if you are interested, you need to be quick. Available in the UK from DTS UK. Contact them at dtsuk.co.uk. Thanks, Havier.
Thank you so much.